Hi, now we'll discuss in the same page concept one interesting thing. Can we able to call one page value into another page? It means, let's observe this here. Page 1, the result is R. When it is coming to page 2, the result is RE, right? Now our requirement is, first we are running page 2 it seems. Okay, then we are running page 1. So when we are running page 1 calculation, in this calculation, we need to use RE. Have to use like this in square brackets, right? So this is the thing, how to use that. Now if you observe this here, see this only R we have, but we don't have RE data item, right? Then it will throw error. But where we have this RE data item, we have it in a page 2, right? Page 2 result is calculating first. See this? But even though we cannot able to use one page result into another page. If you want to do that, then we need to disable this option here. See this? Hide from other pages in the process. If you disable that, then only you can able to use one page value into another page. Now observe this, page 2, double click on this, uncheck this one. Then only you can able to see that value in this particular page. Now observe this, see this. Because we disable that option, hide from other pages. Now click on validate, observe this, right? Now this is the way how we can use one page value into another page. This is very important one. Same way we can do it for collections also. One page collection we can able to use it into another page. Yeah, right? Okay. So one more thing we'll discuss here. Can we able to use page within the same page? What it mean by that? Let's observe this. Page 5 I will give. Now page 5, we are in page 5. Again, we need to run the page 5. See this? Again, page 5. Now this one. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible. But what is going to be happen here? It will keep on loop, continuous loop. Now, if you want to run this is just for testing purpose. We don't want to run the complete thing. If you want to add somewhere, then we need to give a reference. But just for the testing purpose, why need to run everything, right? In these situations, if you want to use any specific page, we have a option called set next stage. Set next stage. Observe this. Set next stage. It means set next stage is a instruction to Blue Prism to run process from this particular step. Now, if I run it, but when we are running, don't reset. See this? If we reset, it's gone. Again, set next stage and then run. It will start from here. Observe this. See this? What is happening? Let's keep on running here, right? It will never ending. Let me stop this. It's not required. Just for example, I have given. Let me delete this. Delete. And another option we have. Run to this stage. It means set next stage. We can give it for anything. Let's say I want to run it from here. That is possible. Don't get confused that Set next stage, we need to give it for only the start. It's not like that. We can give it for any of your stage. Run this, see this, it will start from there, right? And then it will end. The same way, when it is coming to here, I will start from here, set next stage. Then it will run from here. Observe this, right? See this. Same way, we have another option called run to this stage. It means it will come and then it will stop there. So blindly remember one thing, run to this stage means that is a end. Set next stage means that is a starting. Now I will give run to this stage here. When I click on this, no need to run. Automatically it will trigger and then it will come and then it will stop here. Observe this. Where we have given, there it will stop. See this? If you want to debug the process, we most of the time we will use set next stage and run to this stage because we have to understand so what was the result there. And then so from where we need to run. If you want to test it, let's say run to this stage, I will give here, then it will start and then it will come there and then it will stop here. So these are the purpose of set next stage and run to this stage when we are working with the page concepts. Not only the page, set next stage and run to this stage, you can use it for any of the stage, not only for the pages. Okay, thank you.